Hey there, Playmo pals. We are taking a look at a promo pack for this winter edition. Let's check it out. Thanks a lot for tuning in to another Playmo AF unboxing and review. Today we are taking a look at set number 71453. This is the Ski World. As you can see from the front image here, we have quite a few things going on. This looks a lot of fun, and I got to admit that there's two things on this in this package rather that were my selling point, but we'll get into that in just a second. First off, what I would have considered to be part of the sports and action themed line is actually part of the My Life theme. I do like this little graphic here on the top corner with the little bear and the little kid with the skis. The bottom right corner has a banner here going across the way stating that this is a promo pack, which is interesting. But with this wonderful winter background, we do have a young snowboarder. We also have a young lady that is tubing down the hill. We have a young skier who we just saw in that little corner graphic, along with this really cool looking bear. He's one of my selling points. This is the figure I wanted. We also have this mother and child. It looks like she's pulling her little girl on a sled here. The other selling point for this set that made me want to buy this set over all the other sets I had any interest in was the kiosk here. I do like the little stands that they have here because I think they can be used for multiple sets and settings. And as you can see there's a lot of things that come with this kiosk that make this more interesting, including the items that are on the side here, particularly for the ski setting. The right side of the box has the Playmobil and My Life themed logos. It has the cropped version of the front image. The left side also has a cropped version of the front image, except the parts and pieces are slightly rearranged. Here's the top, here's the bottom. The back shows 3 images of our toys rearranged and displayed in various ways. There's no need to be scared of the bear. He's not real. Well, that is it for the box details, guys. Let's go ahead, crack this thing open, and see what's inside. First thing to come out of the box is our little kiosk. Here's the 2 trays it comes with for the items on the front. Click. Here's the rooftop for it. Here's the patch of snow that goes on it. We also get this longer piece of snow. I guess this is for the tube or even the skis. Here's another base. This goes to the little display piece here. We also get this nice little sheet of stickers. As of right now, I'm not sure what these are for, but I do find them interesting because they have a little barcode on there as well. Now it's time to check out our clickies. The 2 bags that just dropped out are full of the accessories for our winter themed figures. Here's our first child clicky, a boy, all dressed in blue with a white collar. Here's our other child clicky, dressed in purple, blue, and white. Her collar is actually a hoodie. And here they are sporting their winter accessories. As you can see, we are missing a yellow glove for the boy. I did look in through the bag, I looked at the floor, I checked everywhere for a missing glove, but apparently there isn't one. But the set also came with these little blue cuffs, and I'm only supposed to get 2, but I actually got 3. So I think that's where the mix-up was. Here's our first adult clicky. We have a male dressed in yellow and blue. Our second adult clicky is wearing a purple top with black pants that are lined with white wool on the bottom, and is wearing a white scarf with pink shoes. And here they are supporting their winter accessories. I really like how the woman's hat and cuffs complement the shoes. I just realized I had this wrong. His goggles are supposed to be black. So where in the world does this go? Well, it turns out that you have an additional helmet to put this other set of goggles on, since it's a kiosk that's supposed to have rentals for the people visiting the Winter Wonderland, or the Winter World. And so this helmet is up for rent. So the Clicky I thought was a mom is actually an employee. If you look carefully, right here on the chest, she's got a little bear logo. That's what the other employee has, and we're going to take a look at that in just a moment. Here she is donning her winter apparel. She's got a red jumpsuit with light blue accents. She's got the hat, the gloves, and the little vest. And then I just found another set of goggles, but there's no more helmets. So what is going on? Maybe we'll find out later, but here is our last Clicky. We have the adult male employee of the ski world. He is wearing his red jumpsuit. Here is that little bear logo on his chest there, showing that he is an employee. But also, this Clicky is our bear. Let's check it out. The little ski world mascot bear. This is really fun and festive. The only thing I really would have liked about this is if they were able to include blue pieces to cover up the arms. I think that would have been a little bit nicer to see, like a full bear in costume, or rather a full human in bear costume. Maybe a bear in costume too, but I don't know. I just kind of like the idea of it having it full blue arms, you know, just to match the whole outfit. But that's just me. And here he is with our child Clickies from the set. Alright, so I went ahead and opened up another package. We've got 2 trays, this little bucket, this is what's supposed to keep the skis. And then we have the juice container, or juices container. But we only got one of these, so I'm guessing there's another one of these in a different color in another bag. There's like 2, possibly 3 left to open. We get this little tray here. Looks like it might carry some drinks or even these gingerbread cookies here. And then we have 2 more little areas of snow, and I believe these are supposed to carry signs of some kind. And here's another bag. We've got mostly some bars. I don't know if these are supposed to be ice cream bars or chocolate bars. It really depends on what kind of stickers we're putting on them, so I'm going to check those out very soon. And then we've got, of course, some coffee mugs for hot chocolate, maybe some apple cider, a bird, 2 birds actually, and one single pair of skis. Okay, so I had it wrong. We've got the bars here. As you can tell, they look like they are in wrappers. And then if you look up here, these are not food items. These, here we go. These are actually supposed to be like postcards, and that would make sense why there's a barcode on some of those stickers. Alright, and we got this bag of stuff right here. Some of our sporting equipment. Boom. Oh. Here's the other drink. Strangely, it wasn't packed in with the other food items, but I'm guessing this is like apple cider. Here's the dispensing unit for the drinks. Let's see. Am I doing this right? Yeah, there we go. Just needs to be slipped in there with a little bit of force, but yeah, that's cool. Here's our little raft here to go snow tubing. I like these colors. Here's our little wooden sled. Here's a snowboard. This one's really cool too. Here's a pair of red skis. Here's a set of gray or silver skis with some blue and white highlights. And then we have some black skis here with some orange and white highlights. We also get these little pegs for those snow mounds. This is what you stick in those holes, and I guess you're supposed to have flags waving from them. And then we have this rack here to store our skis in. So they would go in like so. Just like that. What's really nice is that the ski rack fits right here beside the concession stand. It's a perfect fit. And then we have our final bag of supplies. So yeah, we got silver ones, blue ones, green ones. Here's the flags, which we'll see assembled soon. And then yeah, hot dogs. Because skiing makes you hungry. And with our hot dogs, we actually got an extra hot dog without a bun. Luckily, these inserts have the part numbers, so I'll be able to take care of that sooner than later. Well guys, I gotta say, with everything assembled and taken out of the bags here, it's a pretty remarkable set. I really like this one too. Honestly, when we get down to it, I've never been truly disappointed by any of these sets that I've opened up on this channel. I will say that this is not the typical set that I would have invested in, but if it wasn't for, first of all, this character here and the kiosk in the background, I probably would have let this one pass. I did hope that throughout the making of this video I would have found this kid's other glove, and it's absolutely nowhere to be found, so it looks like it was never packaged with 2 yellow gloves. We have the little handlebar for the sled with the string, but we ended up getting 3 of these little handlebar pieces, which is pretty surprising and disappointing. Overall, this is a great set, and I think it makes an excellent addition to those who make winter dioramas for the holidays. And that's it for this episode, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. If you haven't yet, check us out on Instagram. You can find us at playmo.af. We got more videos on the way, guys, so stay tuned and we will see you very soon. Until then, everybody have a great day, and we will see you right here at Playmo AF. Bye-bye.